Hi, I'm Sean Aldridge with PrinterWorks West. Some of you may not know how to use the trays on your printer. I'm going to go through all those right now. Here's your manual feed tray. A manual feed tray you can use for labels as well as envelopes. You put your document text size down, so print size down. Here are your trays. So you have 4 trays here. Your second tray, you just open up here. Use these tabs to move the paper, make sure it's snug against the paper. And this you can use to snug against the side of the paper. Key thing is to pinch here. And you fill these up however you like. You have your letter, another set up as letters here. You have legal, and 11 by 17. The key thing with the trays is don't fill it out past this line here. Anything that's bent or ripped, just don't put it in. It'll introduce jams. That's your trays. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.